Once Bhagwan Buddha asked Ayushman Sariputra that what are the four parts of Sotapatti or Shotapan. See, Shotapan basically is a stage when you have a first time dip in Nibbana. So for the very first time, you experience the ultimate reality of the whole universe. You experience the truth. Or in Hindi they call Sakshatkar. This is called Shotapan. So Buddha asked basically what constitutes or what are the elements of Shotapatti or Shotapan. And Ayushman Sariputra replied, he said, Bante, the very first element, actually is the most important element, is the company of Satpurush, the company of noble people, the company of saintly people. There's a reason behind it. And the most important reason is, see, our mind is very fickle, even though basically mind understand intellectually that this is a right path, but it always get distracted. So what happens is that basically if you in your company, you have got many people, quite often basically we'll see that they keep on talking about Dhamma, you keep getting messages of Dhamma. So again and again, even though your mind is distracting, it's coming back to the main focus. Second, Sariputra explained, another element is listening of Dhamma. That's again basically very important, because if you see that for the same reason, mind is distracting, sometimes people feel demotivated. So when you listen to Dhamma talk, their motivation basically comes back and they start understanding it again, that yes, that's the right path and I have to basically work hard. Number third, Sariputra explained, right kind of thinking. And the fourth, Sariputra explained that everyday practice where one progress from the gross to the finer. Now what does it mean? Like when you start meditating every day, initially you start experiencing gross sensations. So example, gross pain in the leg, gross pain in the legs, gross pain in your ankles or knees or different part of the body. But then as you start basically staying equanimous and you start progressing, a stage comes where you started observing finer sensations. So instead of, even though you're sitting for 2 hours, 3 hours, instead of feeling gross pain, actually feel very fine, very pleasant sensations. But you have to stay, of course, equanimous. So yeah, these are the four things basically which Sariputra explained constitutes or the part of Shotapatti. If you have any query, please write in the comment sections. I will be happy to reply.